towel animal invasion morning here in Grand Cayman.
Back on the ship to book yourself that behind the scene tour. Now everybody, I wish you a lovely day today in Grand Cayman, and I see you all later. Bye-bye.
Alright, towel animal invasion, but they've taken a lot of them off because they're getting ready to do some training here in the pool. Alright, well, good morning.
Good morning.
From Grand Cayman.
Grand Cayman.
For the millionth time.
It's beautiful here, but we have
It
to
is.
tender over to the island, which I don't like.
Yeah, but we're going to get off, go walk around for a little bit, and probably get right back on the ship.
Yeah, it won't be long.
Nope. Alright, we'll bring it to you.
Good morning.
There's a lifeboat in the pool.
I want to ride it.
Yep. I'm about to go the other. They got their name tags on. They're all wet. Alright, this is one of your lead singers for the Epic Rock. Everybody has to train. Everybody that's employed on the ship. Here we go. Last time we were here, we came to the South Terminal where there's not as much stuff. This is where you'll meet for your excursions, and then we're going to go out the terminal that way. Remember, if you want cigars or liquor, you can go right over here, still in the terminal. But remember, when you buy liquor here, they are going to take it from you and they will deliver it to the ship and you'll get it on the last day. Downtown Grand Cayman, behind the main street. Don't forget about the mall here. Comes right off the main street. A lot of shops down through here. We're gonna wake up and make our way to Sharky's. And it's moving in. Here comes the rain.
Isn't it pretty right there? When I see it in his camera.
Alright, see you later, Grand Cayman again. Pouring over there. Grand Cayman has now disappeared. Gone. Dinner.
I think he went ahead and made that donut.
Good for him. Good for him.
Kevin got mushroom bisque. I got mushroom bisque. They got nothing. That's
Really like birds.
There, you got her first appetizer, spaghetti carbonara.
You want to stop?
Chris got spaghetti carbonara. Remember, tonight is lobster night. The second appetizer, fried oysters. Chris got the pork tarts. I got the pork tarts. Terry's still working.
Oh, is it outside?
Kevin got a salad. And I got the shrimp cocktail. How healthy they're all eating. Aww. Alright, Terry got the lobster. I got the lobster. Chris got the lobster. And Kevin got the lobster.
Yeah, because kids don't understand.
Jerks.
Shot,
Oh,
shot,
and
shot,
he
shot,
got
shot. All right.
What kind it is? What kind is it?
Shot for boom chakalaka.
Boom chocolate. It don't have Fireball in it, though.
No, it's
Okay.
a vodka, peach nut, strawberry, lime juice.
Ooh, strawberry and lime juice. Say it again.
Chug it.
Shot, 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 shot. Everybody.
Woo! Woo! It's good.
Oh, and there's the bill. Thanks.
Woo!
Nothing's free.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
No way.
Make sure you get a shot from
No way.
Ika after you get a beer at the pool.
No way, baby.
Kevin got a banana split, copycat. Chris got some warm chocolate melting cake. I got a banana split, and Terry got healthy fruit. Look at
Oh,
that.
look how good it looks.
She wanted mostly watermelon, and she
It looks
did.
good.